Hello everyone, this is Global Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every day. I also want to remind you that some of my video courses are already available. Buy them if you haven't done it yet. I would really appreciate your support. Today we continue working with a double-sided sweatshirt of blend wool. Have a close look at the sketch and the pattern once again. It's very important. I've decided not to cut the pattern off the camera, because I'd like to show you some details. I want to show you the difference in the front and the back. I prefer making one pattern instead of two for such garments. Do not forget about the checkpoints. This is one of them. This is where the sleeve is going to be inserted. Be very attentive, please. It's very important to mark the checkpoints. Be creative. You can change the designs which I show you however you like. You can make a sweatshirt more loose, or you can make it tighter. I just show you the techniques. I'll cut one more detail for the sleeve. I'll show you why I want to do it. Do not forget to cut this piece. I write it down that there will be a fold made here. It takes just several minutes to cut the pattern. In the previous video, I showed you how to make it in detail. You know that it doesn't take long to do it. Have a look here. I've cut the pattern, the front, the back, and the sleeve details. Have a look at the sleeve pattern. You can make this line straight. It would also be correct. I think that it would look better this way. The sleeve is going to be very beautiful. I remind you that this is a dropped shoulder sweatshirt. The sleeve starts 13 centimeters down from the shoulder top. Here's the sleeve. I remind you that the back was drawn with a blue marker pen. I need to fold the pattern this way. The patterns for the back and the sleeve are ready. When I start working with the front, I'll unfold the pattern. I hope that everything is clear so far. If you don't like this variant, you're welcome to make two separate patterns for the front and the back. Let's start with the blue blend wool. When I cut it, I'll put the cut details on the pink fabric and cut new ones according to them. I'm using thin blend wool. It's made of wool and viscose. Lay out the fabric carefully. Make sure that there are no folds in it. This is the back. I'm going to cut the front here, so I'll move the sleeve aside. You know what? I've decided to extend the width of the sleeve. I'll add 2 centimeters to each side. Anyway, first I need to cut the back. No seam allowance needed on the neckline. To all the other sides, I need to add 1 centimeter for the seam allowance. You can change the design however you like. Make it tighter or looser, make it longer or shorter. Anything is correct. Do not forget to make tiny notches on the waistline. Have a look here. I want to move this checkpoint for 1 centimeter because I'm going to make the sleeve 1 centimeter wider. The blue details for the back are ready. I need to pin them together because I'll use them for cutting the pink details. I remind you that the garment is going to be double-sided. Next, I need to unfold the shoulder and cut the neckline. The pattern for the front is ready. The patterns differ in the neckline and the shoulder. The front one was raised for the balance. I need to pin the pattern. I also need to add 1 centimeter for the seam allowance to all the details except the neckline. Be very attentive. The sweatshirt is going to be pretty loose. However, I'm going to make a small tuck in the center front. It would make the lines more smooth. It's up to you whether to do it or not. The front is almost ready. Do not forget about the notches on the waistline. The front and the back are ready. They differ in the necklines and the shoulders. I can move the buttons away. Next, I need to cut the sleeves. I remind you that I've decided to add 2 cm to each side of the sleeve. Have a look at the pattern once again. As I've said, I need to add 2 centimeters. If I decide that the sleeves are too loose, I'll just cut the extra pieces. I can start cutting now. I need to add 1 centimeter to other sides. The front and the back details of the sleeves are absolutely even. There are a lot of designs in which the front and the back parts of the sleeves are different. But in this case, the garment is going to be pretty loose, sporty, so it's not necessary. Do not forget to make a notch to mark the center sleeve. This is very important. The blue details are ready. Next, I need to cut the pink ones. Have a look at the table. I've cut the blue details and pinned them to the pink fabric. I can start cutting now. As I've already said, the front and the back details on the sleeves are absolutely the same. I have 2 blue and 2 pink sleeves. Do not forget to make notches on the center sleeve. Next, I need to cut the back and the front. The garment is going to be very warm and comfortable. You can wear it instead of a jacket. It will be warmer than a cardigan. I'm also going to make a pocket on the front. I hope you like it. I have 2 blue and 2 pink backs, and 2 blue and 2 pink fronts. This is the pocket bag. It's 20-21 cm long and 18-19 cm wide. You can make pockets of any size you like. Make them comfortable. I also need to cut 2 blue and 2 pink underlay pieces. I'm sure that you've never seen such pockets before. Have a look here. Here are the underlay pieces of the 2 colors. Next, we're going to tack the blue details to the pink ones off the camera. This way, 2 different color details become one. In the next video, we'll show you how to tack the double details. That's all for today. Be different and beautiful. My name is Irina Paukshte. Subscribe to my channel, buy my courses. Write comments, share the videos, press the like and the bell buttons. I would really appreciate your support. Thank you. Goodbye.